So today I wanted to go over the three standards in terms of what their main differentiations are between the standards. So BPMN is all about processes. And in processes, the first class citizens are the activities. And we're focusing on the flow of activity and the data that is consumed by that flow of activity. The semantic is procedural in the sense that it's prescriptive, telling what to do, and the actual semantic is defined using the execution semantic is defined using a token, basically, that's moving around this environment. For cases, the first-class citizens of our events, we're really looking at events, and we're looking at events within a context, which is the case file. And so basically, when you move your data in context, you have information. So with case, we're dealing with information, given that we have event, context, and the data, which gives us information. And CMMN is a declarative language. So rather than prescribing how things should happen, CMMN just declare what can happen. So it's a declarative language. And the semantic for CMMN is based on event, condition, action, which is basically to say when a particular event happens, if a condition is met, then do this action, which is different than BPMN, where the activities are sequenced and the next activity is prescribed by the model itself. And then when we move to DMN for decisions, in DMN, the first class citizens are the rules. And these rules are expressed in many different ways, the rows within a decision table or the rules within literal or box expressions. And in this context, these rules are applied. So when we have information that is applied, we're dealing with knowledge. So DMN is more about knowledge, and its main semantic structure or architectural pattern is functional. So it is a functional language. And the semantic, the execution semantic is based on first order logic. So there you go, a very quick introduction of BPMN, CMMN, and DMN, the difference into their focus. So BPMN, first class citizen activities, case, CMMN, first class citizen events, and DMN, first class citizen rules, dealing with data, information, and knowledge, and a more prescriptive or procedural, declarative, and functional description. So that gives you a very quick look at some differentiation between BPMN, CMMN, and DMN.